It is must-have for the house. It saves me so much time. So easy to use it. I feel like it is cleaning essential. Look how fast and efficient I can clean my toilet, and it looks so clean all the time. I always keep it at my house and I use it all the time. I do love these scraping pads. It is tiny, but it works so fast. It is all you need to clean your bathroom. Minimal effort, and it leaves my toilet sparkling clean. I really appreciate it, and it is so much better than a regular toilet brush. And I do love amazing fresh smell. It makes cleaning so easy. I do love scrubbing ability, and I use it in each bathroom of my house. It removes all the dirt, and it never been easier to clean my bathroom. It is perfect for the house or for the office whenever you have to clean the bathroom.